In this video, I'll discuss hybrid clouds, their features, and their benefits. Hybrid clouds generally refer to multiple clouds. They're a combination of both public and private cloud deployments. And in a sense, they're the best of both worlds. So let's get into what hybrid clouds look like. In the hybrid model, you can have a public-private deployment. In this model, an organization has chosen to have their own infrastructure and data behind their firewall, probably because there's a requirement to keep tight control on their own information and applications. But they've also got a public cloud where data and apps also live. But that data likely has constraints on what can live in the public cloud. Perhaps it's day-to-day operational information, limited customer and vendor information that can be accessed by employees, customers, and vendors, but not critical company, customer, and vendor information, which remain in the private cloud. There's a litany of ways a company may section off their data and define its availability. It's really up to the organization to decide what data lives behind the firewall and what lives in the public cloud. And there's an extension to the hybrid cloud commonly known as a community cloud. In a community cloud, you can have multiple private cloud owners, each with their own internal deployments, but they also connect to and share a public cloud. There are obvious benefits to this, and it's a common model for organizations that work together, like companies and their vendors, or companies that operate in a community environment like a marketplace or industry organization. So, why do companies choose the hybrid model? First, it offers a high level of agility, allowing an organization to choose what apps and information are stored in their private cloud and in the public cloud. It also allows them to collaborate with others, like-minded organizations and partners that can share information and apps that benefit them both. It gives them the ability to leverage the public cloud if their private cloud capacity becomes limited. It's called bursting, and it's roughly analogous to disk caching, where operating systems use hard drive space when memory is limited. It lets organizations control and protect the information they regard as being critical. And this may be a result of their need for compliance, which in some industries has very rigid requirements and stiff penalties for noncompliance.